Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python tutorial series. In today's video, we will be exploring the power of loop in Python. Loops are the fundamental concept in programming, allow you to repeat a block of code multiple times. And we will be covering both for loop and while loop in this tutorial. So let's dive in. For loop are used to iterate over a sequence such as list, tuple, or string. They allow you to execute a block of code for each item in the sequence. Here is a basic syntax. Let's see an example using list. The fruit is a sequence, so I'm gonna copy this and paste it in a sequence. In item, we will get first apple, then banana, then cherry. So for each item I will be printing. So I'm write print the item, or for simplicity we can just write better understanding, we can write fruit here and fruit here, so it makes a lot more sense. Save this and execute. Here you can see it iterates through this list. At first the apple is assigned to the fruit and the apple is printed. Then on second loop, banana is assigned to the fruit and it print banana. Then the cherry is assigned to the fruit and it print cherry. And after that the loop end. Now our next loop is while loop. While loop are used to repeatedly execute a block of code as long as a certain condition is true. Here is the basic syntax. Let's see an example using counter. Here it prints 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's see how it got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and stop. First the 0 has been assigned to the counter, so it check if 0 is lesser than 5. Yes, the condition is true, so the 0 is printed. After that we increment the counter by 1, that means the 0 become 1, and it check is 1 is lesser than 5. Yes, the 1 is lesser than 5, so the condition is true, and it print 1. After that the counter is increment by 1, then the 1 become 2, and it check is 2 is less than 5. Yes, so it print 2, and it goes on, and when it reaches 4, yes, the 4 is less than 5, so it print 4. Then after it increment by 1 and it become 5, then it check is 5 is less than 5. No, it is not less than 5, the condition is false, so this block of code will not execute. So we only see from 0 to 4. Sometimes you might need more control over the execution of your loop. Python provides two loop condition statement, break and continue. The break statement is used to exit the loop prematurely, while the continue statement is used to skip the rest of the current iteration and move to the next one. Let's see an example using both break and continue. it should be in. In this example, the loop iterates from the range 0 to 9, and in total that will be 10. If the number is equal to 5, then it will break and stop the execution. But if the number is even, the loop will skip to next iteration using continue statement. Otherwise, it will print odd number. Now let's go through one by one and check this result. At first, the number is 0. So it check is 0 is equal to 5. No, the condition is false. So it come here. Is 0 is an even number? Yes, it is an even number. So it continue, and we have 1, and it check is 1 is equal to 5. No, the condition is false. Is 1 is an even number? No. It will skip this, and the 1 will print here. Again, the number goes to 2. Is 2 is equal to 5? False. Is 2 is a even number? Yes, 2 is a even number. So from here it goes here, not the else statement will execute. So again 3. Is 3 is equal to 5? No, condition false. Is 3 is a even number? No, again the condition is false. So the else block of code will execute and the 3 will be printed. Then come to 4. 4 is not equal to 5, and 4 is a even number, so it will continue here and it will become 5. As 5 is equal to 5, so it will break here. So the loop will break here, and that's why we get 1 and 3. And that's it. Now you know how to use for loop and while loop in Python, as well as the break and continue statement for a better control. Practice using this concept to create a efficient and powerful code in your Python project. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment for more Python tutorial. See you next time.